Stanley Nobali insists he remains relaxed about his current situation, despite without a club, saying he expects to return to action soon. The Nigerian international goalkeeper is currently a free agent following his departure from Chippa United FC, a development that has reignited speculation linking him with a possible move to Kaizer Chiefs. Reports have also suggested that the club in Libya are monitoring his situation. Speaking to Soccer Doma, the 29-year-old dismissed the swirling rumors as a natural part of football, stressing that he is not losing sleep over his next destination. And said right now it's rumors everywhere. When people talk about you or mention your name with clubs, it usually means they believe in your quality. It's not a bad thing. The shot stopper confirmed he is still in South Africa following the official confirmation of his exit from Chippa United on 5 February. However, he made it clear that speculation about his future should be taken with caution until a deal is finalized. And said rumors will always be rumors. The day you see me signing for a club or wearing a club's t-shirt, then you will know that something is happening. Despite concerns that an extended spell without a club could threaten his position as Nigeria's first-choice goalkeeper, Nobali remains confident that he will soon be back between the posts. He said, "I'm not worried at all. I don't have a specific country or place where I must play. Anywhere that welcomes me well, I'm ready to go and play." Nobali joined Chippa United FC in 2022 from Katsina United FC and went on to establish himself as one of the club's key figures. During his time with the Eastern Cape side, he made 76 appearances across all competitions, earning recognition for his commanding presence and consistency in goal. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.